In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 6 best mirrorless cameras under $1,000. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 6 in my list is Canon EOS M200 Compact Mirrorless Vlogging Camera. If you need something more compact, consider the Canon EOS M200. The biggest difference between this camera and the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is their form factor. While it doesn't have a hand grip or a viewfinder, its compact body makes it incredibly portable, so it's a good choice for those who want a smaller camera while still having the option to switch out and use different lenses. It's also a bit cheaper if you want to save even more money. However, it doesn't have a fully articulated screen, though you can still flip its screen up to face you if you need. Aside from the ergonomic differences, the two cameras perform very similarly with image and video quality since they use the same sensor, although it introduces an even more severe crop on 4K video and can't shoot 1080p at 24 frames per second video. Get the M50 Mark II if you want a camera with a hand grip and viewfinder. But if portability is your biggest priority, the M200 is a good alternative. Number 5 in my list is Canon EOS M50 Mark II Budget Mirrorless Camera. For those on a tighter budget, we recommend the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. It's one of the best value mirrorless cameras you can buy, so it's a popular choice among vloggers and those buying their first camera. It's comfortable to shoot with and has a highly intuitive menu system, as well as a bright, fully articulated touchscreen to help you shoot from different angles or take selfies. The camera uses a 24.1 megapixel APS sensor, delivering good image quality right out of the box. It also has decent noise handling capability, so you can shoot in slightly more dim conditions without introducing too much noise. It has a good autofocus system that does a satisfactory job tracking moving subjects. It can shoot at a fairly quick 9 FPS for burst shooting, although it does have a small photo buffer. However, it's quick to empty once you fill it up. Unfortunately, for those interested in shooting video as well as taking stills, its 4K video features are very limited. It can only record 4K video at 24 frames per second with a significant 1.5x crop, and its autofocus system does a bad job of keeping moving subjects in focus in this resolution. That said, it can shoot 1080p video at higher frame rates without cropping, and its autofocus is much more reliable. Overall, if you're looking for an entry-level stills or 1080p video camera, this one offers a ton of value for its price. Number 4 in my list is Panasonic LUMIX G104K Mirrorless Camera. The best mirrorless camera under $1,000 that we tested for vlogging is the Panasonic LUMIX G100. It's a lightweight, portable camera with a micro Four Thirds sensor, and it's designed with vloggers in mind. To that end, it has a fully articulated touchscreen, textured grip, and dedicated video recording button. It has a built-in microphone with audio tracking that you can set to isolate audio coming from any direction, which is great if you don't have an external microphone. It delivers superb video quality when shooting in brighter lighting conditions, and it has a self-shot mode that's automatically enabled when you flip the screen around to face you. This mode turns on audio and face tracking, sets a 3-second recording start timer, and gives you access to various filters and vlog-oriented settings in the FN tab of the camera menu. Its autofocus system supports both face and eye detection, and it does a great job of tracking moving objects in videos, although it's less reliable at tracking moving faces. Unfortunately, the camera has a disappointing battery life, though battery performance can vary with different settings and usage habits. It lasts a fairly long time when recording video continuously, but it has a short advertised battery life for photos, and you can't use it while it charges via USB. Still, this camera's portability and useful vlogging features make it a good choice for vlogging on a budget. Number 3 in my list is Nikon Z50 Beginner's Mirrorless Camera. The best mirrorless camera under $1,000 that we tested for beginners is the Nikon Z50. This entry-level crop sensor model feels well built and is very comfortable to use. with a substantial grip suitable for most hand sizes and physical controls that are easy to adjust. It has an intuitive menu system, including a guide mode to walk new users through its core settings and features. It lacks a fully articulated screen, but its touchscreen can tilt outward or flip up to face you for selfies or vlogging. Overall, its image quality is impressive. Photos have a good dynamic range and look incredibly sharp even at higher ISO levels. Its noise handling capability is also great, making it well suited to taking photos in more dimly lit conditions at moderate and high ISO levels. Its video features are good, although shooting in 4K incurs a slight crop, and its low light video quality is disappointing. Still, it delivers great 4K video quality in brighter conditions, and its autofocus system quickly and reliably tracks moving subjects in either resolution. Unfortunately, the autofocus is a bit more inconsistent when taking photos. It also lacks in-body image stabilization, although its electronic stabilization feature combined with the optical stabilization of the Nikon ZDX16-50mm f3.5 to 6.3 VR kit lens does an excellent job of smoothing out camera shake. All in all, this is among the best digital cameras that we've tested for beginners. Number 2 in my list is Sony Alpha A6100 mirrorless camera. If you want to save some money on a similar camera, check out the Sony Alpha A6100. It's very similar to the Sony Alpha 6400 in design, with a rangefinder-style body, textured hand grip, and tilting screen, although it isn't weather-sealed and has a lower-resolution viewfinder. That said, it's slightly cheaper and offers near-identical performance in most areas. It delivers impressive image quality with good noise handling capability at higher ISO levels for low light. It also has an amazing autofocus system that quickly and effectively tracks moving subjects in photos and videos. If you like to shoot video, it offers the same frame rate options and similar video quality. However, it similarly lacks in-body image stabilization and does a poor job reducing camera shake in 4K. Get the A6400 if you want a weather-sealed body and a higher resolution EDF. But if you want to save a bit of money and don't mind losing out on those two features, go with the A6100. Number 1 in my list is Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera. The best mirrorless camera under $1,000 that we tested is the Sony Alpha 6400. This APS-C model has a relatively compact and lightweight body that makes it easy to slip into a bag and take on the go. It feels well built and comfortable to use, and it has a screen that can tilt and flip up to help you shoot at different angles or take selfies. There are a couple of different kit lens options you can buy depending on your budget. Its 24.2 megapixel sensor delivers impressive image quality with excellent dynamic range. It also has good RAW noise handling capability, so you can raise the ISO sensitivity of the sensor when shooting in low light without sacrificing too much quality. Like many Sony models, it also has an amazing autofocus system that can quickly and reliably keep track of moving subjects so that they stay in focus, whether you're taking photos or shooting 4K or full HD video. That said, the camera lacks in-body image stabilization, so you have to rely on optical stabilization, and it does a poor job smoothing out camera shake in 4K when using its kit lens. Its 4K frame rate options are also limited, though it offers several frame rates in full HD. Overall, this is a well-rounded mirrorless camera with good video features and a relatively compact design, making it one of the best cameras you can buy in this price range. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.